it is assumed that the
Question is of carrying salesman. Then diagram is done.
now we can solve it. Here, first step is row reduction. For row reduction, we have to select minimum number from each row. Like in first row, minimum number is 4. In second row, minimum number is 5. In third row, minimum number is 4. In fourth row, minimum number is 6. In fifth row, minimum number is 6. Now we can subtract these numbers from their respective rows number, like 20 minus 4, because 4 is the minimum number in this row. 4 minus 4, 10 minus 4. Here 5 is minimum number in this row. 20 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 10 minus 5. Now we can write here 20 minus 4, 16, 4 minus 4, 0, 10 minus 4, 6, 20 minus 5, 15, 5 minus 5, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 4, 0, 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 4, 2, 6 minus 4, 2. Here 10 minus 6, 4, 6 minus 6, 0, 20 minus 6, 14. Here 10 minus 6, 4, 6 minus 6, 0, 20 minus 6, 14. Now here our row reduction is complete. Next step is column reduction. For column reduction, we have to select minimum number from each column in row reduction. We have to select minimum number from each column in row reduction. Like here minimum number is 0. In this column minimum number is 1. In this column minimum number is 0. In this column minimum number is 2. In this column minimum number is 2. Now we can subtract these minimum number from their respective columns, like 15 minus 0, because 0 is the minimum number in this column. Now we can write here column reduction. Fifteen minus 0, 15, 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 0, 4. Here 1 is minimum number in this column. 16 minus 1, 15, 1 minus 1, 0, 4 minus 1, 3. Here 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Similarly, here here minimum number is 2. 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 14 minus 2, 12. Here minimum number is 2. 5 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 14 minus 2. Here our column reduction is complete. Our next step is make or mark assignment. For this we have to copy same table in mark assignment. We copy same table. Now we can copy same table. We can start making assignment. Always remember that always mark assignment to 0. First we move row wise and then column wise. First we move row wise, then we move toward column wise. Always make assignment to 0. First row wise, so we make assignment to 8 and the respective zeros are cut. First we move row wise, then we move towards column wise. So we make assignment to 8, the respective zeros are cut. Row wise. Now you can see that C2 does not get any assignment, C4 does not get any assignment, C5 does not get any assignment. So the rows which does not get assignment, we have to mark. The rows which do not have or which do not get assignment, we have marked. Like C2, we mark it, C4, we mark it, and C5, we mark it. And in this row, if any zeros are cut, that column should also mark. Like C2. In this row, if any zero is cut, we should mark that column. In this row, in mark row, if any zero are cut, we have to mark that column. In C4, this is mark row. In this row, if any zero is cut, we mark that column. C5, this is mark row. If there is any cut zero is cut, we mark that column. Now, in mark column, if any zero is assigned, then mark that row. If the column is marked, if in mark column, any zero is assigned, then mark that row. If in mark column any zero assigned, mark that row. Now, cut, unmark row, cut mark column. Cut unmarked row. C3 is unmarked row. So we cut it. And mark column. Cut mark column. Here C3 column is mark column, so we cut it. Now you can see that some numbers are not cut and some numbers are single cut and some number are double cut. Here the number which are not cut. Here you see some numbers are not cut, some are single cut and some are double cut. You have to select the minimum number from not cut numbers. Minimum number from not cut numbers. Not cut numbers are 15. Here 15, 4, 3, 12, 12, 3, 4. Minimum number. Minimum number here is 3. Now, in not cut number, we have to subtract minimum number. Minimum number, that is 3. We have to subtract. Single cut number, we have write same. Single cut number, write same, and double cut number, we have add minimum number, that is 3. In double cut number, we have to add minimum number. Now we can easily construct or reorganize this matrix. Now we can make new matrix with help of this matrix and following these rules. Now we can start. Fifteen. 15 is not cut number, so we have to subtract minimum number, that is 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. 0 single cut number write same. 4 is not cut number we have to subtract minimum number, that is 3. 4 minus 3 1. 15 not cut number, we have not cut number, so we have to subtract minimum number, that is 3. 15 minus 3 12. 0 single cut number, we have to write same. 3 is not cut number, so we have to subtract minimum number, that is 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 single cut number write same. 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 Here this hyphen is only double cut. Here 4 not cut number, we have to subtract minimum number, that is 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 3 minus 3 0 write same. minus 3 करना है. Now we can make assignment. Always make assignment to 0. First we move row wise, then column wise. Row wise, make assignment to this 0. Their respective zeros are cut. Column wise, make assignment to it. Their respective zeros are cut. First we move row wise, column wise, again row wise. Row wise, their respective zeros are cut. Column wise, their respective zeros are cut. Now you can see that C2 does not get any assignment and C4 does not get any assignment. So the rows which does not get C2 get assignment here. So here C4 does not get any assignment. Only C4 does not get any assignment. So mark that row which does not get any assignment. Mark that row which does not get any assignment. If in mark row any zero is cut, in mark row, if any zero is cut, mark that column. If in mark column any zero is assigned, then mark that row. If in mark column any zero is assigned, mark that row. Any zero assigned, mark that row. Now cut mark row. Cut unmark row. Cut unmark row. C2 is unmarked, so we cut it. C3 is unmarked, so we cut it. C5 is unmarked, so we cut it. And cut mark column. C3 is unmarked, so we cut it. Now we can construct or reorganize a new table. Now you can see that some numbers are single cut, like single cut. Some are double cut and some are not cut. We have to select the minimum number from not cut number. That here the minimum number is 1. Minimum number is 1. Minimum number is 1 in this table. So same formula apply. Not cut number, we have to subtract minimum number, that is 1 here. Single cut, same. Double cut, we have to add minimum number, that is 1. Now, we can construct or reorganize this table. 12. Not cut number. Not cut number, subtract minimum number, that is 1. 12 minus 1, 11. 0. 0 is single cut. Single cut, same. 1. 1 is not cut number. Subtract minimum number, that is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 12. Single cut, write as same. Here 0 is double cut, like this and like this. 0 is double cut. Double cut, add minimum number, that is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 single cut, write as same. 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 0 1. 1 is not cut number. Not cut number, subtract minimum number. 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 single cut, same. 9 not cut. Not cut, 9 minus 1, 8. 0 single cut. 0 double cut. Double cut, add minimum number, 0 plus 1, 1. Single cut, write as same. Now we can make assignment. First we move row wise, then column wise, make assignment always to 0. Here in this row there are 2 zeros, so we cannot make assignment to that. So we move toward another row. In this row there is only 1 0. So we make assignment to it, their respective zeros are cut. Then move column wise. Column wise there is 2 0, so we cannot make assignment to any. Here in this column there is 2 0, so we cannot make assignment to them. In this column there is again 2 0, again 2 0. So move row wise. Row wise there is 2 0. Row wise there is 3 0. Row wise there is 2 0. And in this row there is only 1 0, so we make assignment to it. Their respective zeros are cut. Column wise 2 0, no 0, 2 0, 2 0. Row wise 2 0, row wise 2 0, row wise 2 0. So in this situation we have to give first preference to first 0. The respective zeros are cut. Row wise. Column wise, no 0, no 0. Make assignment, their respective zeros are cut. Column wise. Now you can see that all the zeros get assignment. C1 here, C2 here, C3 here, C4 here, C5 here. Now, but in traveling salesman, we have to come back that path from where we can start. Like we can start from C1, we have to finish at C1 by covering all the paths like C1, C3, 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 from C3 to C4, from C4 to C1. We can start from C1 and finish from C1, but this path is not correct because in the middle of the path because we cannot cover all the cities. Here C2 is missing and C5 is missing, so this solution is not accurate. For this we have to prepare a tree. We have to prepare a tree because we cannot cover all the path or city. In traveling salesman, if we start from C1, we have to finish with C1. But we have to cover all the paths like C2, C3, C4 and C5 and end with C1. But in this situation, C1 to C3, C3 to C4, C4 to C1. Here C2 and C5 is missing, so we have to prepare a tree. Now you can see that the result here is unfavorable, so we can make a tree or a diagram. For it we have copy same table here so that we can make a table or a diagram to get favorable result. Now for diagram, first of all we considered only 0. Now we can make a tree or a diagram, like we can start from C1. In C1 there is 2 0. One at C3 and another is C4. C3 and C4. C3 and C4. And in C3 there are 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is 4 0 at C1, C2, C4 and C5. This is unfavorable path because in traveling salesman, we have to start from C1 and end with C1. But in the middle, we have to cover all the paths like C2, C3, C4 and C5. Here, the salesman cover only C3 but does not cover C2 and C4 and C5. So this is unfavorable. C2. In C2 there is only 1 0 at C5. C5. At C5 there is only 1 0 at C2. Here this is unfavorable path because salesman already covered C2 here. C4. In C4 there is 2 zeros. One C1 and another is C3. This is unfavorable path because the salesman does not cover C2 and C5. This is also unfavorable path because salesman already covered C3 here. C5. In C5 there is only 1 0 at C2. C2 there is only 1 0 at C5. This is also unfavorable path because the salesman already covered C5 path here. C4. There is 2 zeros in C4. One is C1 and another is C3. In C1, it is unfavorable because the traveling salesman does not cover C2, C3 and C5. C3 there is 4 zeros. 4 0, C1, C2, C4 and C5. C5 is unfavorable because C2 and C5 is not cover here. C2 there is only 1 0 at C5. C5 there is only 1 0 at C2. This is unfavorable path because the salesman already covers C2 here. Now C4 is again unfavorable because salesman already covered C4 here. C5 there is only 1 0 at C2. C2 there is only 1 0 at C5. This is also unfavorable because C5 is already covered here. Now you can see that we can only consider 0. In next diagram we considered 0 and 1. We can consider 0 and 1. Now we considered 0 and 1. In C1 there is 2 zeros at C3 and C4. C3 and C4. C3 there is 4 0. 1, 2, 3 and 4. C1, C2, C4 and C5. This is unfavorable because the salesman does not cover C2, C4 and C5. C2 there is 1 0 at C5. At C3 there is also a 1. So C2, C3 and C5. Here it is unfavorable because C3 is already covered here. C5, C5, C2 and C3. C2 and C3. C2 is unfavorable because it is covered here. C3 is unfavorable because it is covered here. C4. There is 2 0 at C1 and C3. It is unfavorable because it does not cover. C2, C5. It is unfavorable because it is already covered here. Now move towards C4. There is 2 zeros. First C1 and C3. It is unfavorable because it does not cover C2, C3 and C5. C3 there is 4 zeros. C1, C2, C4, C5. It is unfavorable because it does not cover 2 and 5. C2, 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 C3 and C5. C2, C3 is unfavorable because it is already covered here. C5, C5 at C2 and C3. It is unfavorable because it is already covered here. It is unfavorable because it is already covered here. C4, C1 and C3. It is unfavorable because it does not cover C2 and C5. It is unfavorable because it is already covered here. C5, 0 and 1 at C2 and C3. It is unfavorable because it is already covered here. C2, 1 or 0, 1 at C3 and 0 at C5. It is unfavorable because it is already covered here. It is unfavorable because it already covered here. Now you can see that we considered 0 and 1. In next table we considered 0, 1 or 8. 0, 1 or 8 in next table. Now here we can consider 0, 1 or 8. We can start from C1. C1. There is 2 0. C3 and C4. C3 and C4. C3 there is 4 zeros. C1, C2, C4 and C5. It is unfavorable because it does not cover C2, C4 and C5. C2 there is 2 arrows because here is 1 and 0 means C3 and C5. C3 is unfavorable because it is already covered here. C5 means C2 and C3. It is unfavorable because it is already covered here. It is unfavorable because it is already covered here. C4, 3 arrows because 0, 0 or 8. C1, C3 and C5. It is unfavorable because it does not cover 2 or 5. It is unfavorable because it covered C3 here, C5 2 arrows because 0 and 1, C2 and C3. C3 is unfavorable because it already covered here, and C2 0 or 1, C4 0 0 or 8. 0 0 or 8 means C1 C3 C5, C1 C3 or C5. Here it is not favorable because it does not cover 2 3 or 5. 3, there is 4 zeros. C1 C2 C4 and C5. It is unfavorable because it does not cover 2 or 5th. It is unfavorable because C4 is already covered here. C2 for C2 there is 1 or 0, means C3 and C5. It is unfavorable because C3 is already covered here. C5 again, C2 and C3, C2 and C3, C2 and C3. C2 is unfavorable because it is already covered here. C3 is unfavorable because it already covered here. Now C5, this C5, C2 and C3, C2 and C3, C2 C1 or 0, 1 or no, C2 C3 or C5. C3 is unfavorable because it is already covered here. C5 is unfavorable because it already covered here. C3, it's unfavorable because it already covered here. C5, here or here. C2 and C3. C2 1 or 0 means C3 or C5, C3 or C5. C5 is unfavorable because it already covered here. C3 4 zeros. C3 there are 4 zeros. C1 C2 C4 C5 C1 1 2 3 4 5. Now you can see that this path, this root cover or end, cover all the root and end from where it is start. Like it can start from C1 and end with C1. Here from C1 he moved towards C4, then C5, then C2 and then C3 and then at the end reach C1. Now you can see that it is our optimum or favorable result.